Action talk and no one bag of mouth.
Good evening everybody and welcome to Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. For today June 22, 2009, my name is Primrose Barrett. The gleaner for Monday, June 22, 2009, said one of the head GSAT supervisor them lose them work after the Ministry of Education find out say she did help some of the pitney them from the St. John's Primary School for do them GSAT. The grade 6 achievement test GSAT are one test where all of the grade 6 pitney them have to do so the Ministry of Education can make up their mind as to which high school them can go. Colin Blair from the Ministry of Education said it did happen for true, so the pitney them from the St. John's Primary School in a Panish Town did get help from the head supervisor for do them GSAT. According to the same gleaner, some pitney from one different school in Kingston did get help for do the same GSAT. The gleaner find out that the pitney them from the two schools them did get help to do the same test paper. The Ministry of Education find out what happened when the principal for the St. John's Primary School, Mrs. J. Cunningham, write them one letter in a March and tell them the full story about what did happen at the test. According to the letter, two of the pitney them did ask the head supervisor to show them how to do one of the question them, cause them never did understand and one of them couldn't even read it. The woman showed the pitney them what to write and how to write it. Then she tell the whole of the pitney them to write the same thing. Some of them never did want to write what she tell them to write, so she made the rest of the GSAT supervisor them turn upside of the pitney them to make sure so them change them answer and put in for her own. Mr. Blair from the ministry say one wrong thing the GSAT supervisor them did do, cause in the first place, they're not supposed to show the pitney them nothing. On top of that, at the wrong answer them force the pitney them to write on them test paper. According to one of the pitney them, the supervisor all tell them say a mistake the ministry make when they did write the question. A whole of 41 pitney from the St. John's Primary School tell the principal say them did get help in the test from the supervisor them. In a May this year, one next money from the Ministry of Education, Sharon Neal, write one letter to the principal for the St. John's Primary School and tell her say the pitney them now go get in a trouble for what did happen. As for the supervisor, who is in charge, she did work with the ministry for 14 years now, but right now, she can't go back and work with them again. In the same letter what Sharon Neal did write the principal for St. John's Primary School, he said the Ministry of Education are going to make sure say no other GSAT supervisor not do this again. This is Action Talk. Big things we are going in a little Jamaica. Till next time, my name is Primrose Barrett. Walk good.